Ever struggled with complicated 3D printer setups? Yeah, I've been there. Hours just to start a print. Menus that confuse, leveling that never feels right. And the noise, forget about printing at night. But then I found the Monoprice Mini Delta V2. This little 3D printer changed my whole experience. First off, it comes fully assembled. No tools needed, just unbox, plug in, and you're ready to go. The touchscreen? Super clear and easy to use. Big icons, simple steps, no more guessing. Auto leveling is now fast and totally hassle-free. No more endless adjustments before every print. Wi-Fi setup is finally simple. Just follow on-screen prompts. I connected with the PoloPrint Pro app in minutes. Printing from my phone is honestly a game changer. And it's whisper quiet, only 30 dBA. I can print late at night without waking anyone. It's perfect for small spaces or classrooms. Want to use Cura or other slicers? Totally open source. Tinkerers and beginners both get what they need. Let me show you how easy it is to start. I pick a model on my phone, hit print. Watch, the printer gets right to work. No manual leveling, no confusing menus. The print quality is impressive for such a compact machine. Look at these details, smooth, precise, and reliable. It handles both PLA and ABS with no fuss. USB connection is stable for bigger projects, and slicing is a breeze with any major software. The build plate heats up quickly and evenly. Print stick when you want, release when you're done. It's small enough to fit anywhere on my desk. But don't let the size fool you, it's powerful. Great as a main printer or a companion to a bigger one. Educators, hobbyists, even total beginners, this fits everyone. No more intimidating setups or noisy machines. Just simple, reliable 3D printing every time. I honestly wish I'd found this sooner. Ready to make 3D printing easy and fun? Try the Monoprice Mini Delta V2 today. You'll wonder how you ever printed without it. Check it out and start creating. No stress, just results.